Hi everyone, I'm going to analyze Euro and ZD just to explain some lessons in the SK system. I hope that will help. Uh, now let's go to the monthly time frame, and as you see, the market is sheep. So let's start analyzing. As you see in the white sequence already, we have here point. Look, this is the low point and we have the A point, and we have here A, P in this area, and we have in this area the sequence. That's why I draw the white sequence in the high time frame. What are we going to benefit from this one? Why I'm going to the monthly time frame? Already to know that the market is in uptrend sequence. Okay, so let's dive into the weekly time frame, and we are going to look for a new sequence. Let's see here. Okay, as we see in the yellow sequence, already we have a sequence and it finished. We have a target area, and after that we draw the whole correction level. Let's write WCL, whole correction level. So what we expect from the market is to move from here to here. And let's move to the daily time frame. If you notice, we are moving from square to square, from rectangular to rectangular, from sequence to another sequence. Now we have the ability to draw a sequence from this target area. So already we have this area, which is WCL, and we will wait the market to reach the point to go with a buy order, because I said previously that in the monthly time frame already we have a uptrend. So let's start drawing. I use Fibonacci retracement, and we have here an area. As we notice here, um, this A point has been broken. That means we have a new sequence. After that, it goes and give us an BC area. Let's dive into smaller time frame. So we have here also a sequence. We have in the pink one finished, the white one finished, and from the target sequence of the white sequence, from the target area from the white sequence, now we are waiting for the market to go or visit this white and yellow area. Look, the white one is for the sequence, which is also a whole correction level. But the green one, it's for the sequence that we draw. Look, smaller time frame, we draw sequence from the target area of the white sequence. Okay, we have here the last thing we have is uh, green one. Okay, so now we expect the market to move to this area, then to go down to this area. And the good thing is that we have a common area between the white WCL, which belongs to the white sequence, and the green one, which is for the green sequence. So after the markets reach this area, we are going to a sell, and this is our target. When the market is reached this area, it will go up for a buy. I hope everything was clear. So thanks for listening and watching. Have a nice day. See you next video.